Bossed out. Bitch, I'm bossed out. Bitch, I'm bossed out. Yeah. Bitch, I'm bossed out. Yeah, I'm bossed out. Bitch, I'm bossed out. Check it. It's me, Sand fucking Hiller, stay puffin' on that motherfucking killer. Got like 2 bitches, chocolate, vanilla. I ain't a fucking gangster, I'm more of a drug dealer. Straight Skrilla, that's all what I'm about. Tell your girl get low and give me that mouth. I'm from the north, no I ain't from the south. I'm more from the Midwest. Go ahead and test, put them bullet holes straight in your chest. No matter of fact, man, we aiming to your dome. Send a dead body to your motherfucking home. Now your mom crying, she calling the cops, case closed, cause ain't no fucking killer found, man. I swear to God, I'm like King Kong when I come around your town. I got the motherfucking rounds, push that weight, yeah, I got them pounds. Got the grams for the low, got that kush, got that Reggie, got that dro. What you do? You ain't really fucking know. Call the po, cause you can't handle me. It's Sand Hiller, man, real motherfucking G's. Been a goon since he came out the motherfucking womb. I kill these rappers and throw them in a tomb. Yeah, Asian Egyptian shit, man, I swear to God, I be hitting licks. Stole your bitch and I said, man, I hit a lick. Swear to fucking God, man, I catch him like a fish. Yeah, cut his ass fucking slip. Now he got his slit throat hanging by the Fox River. Sand Hiller.